Hey there. If you're a medical professional, you know the importance of staying updated on the latest tech. Today I'm diving into some game-changing medical technologies that are set to revolutionize patient care. First up, the Mako robotic surgical system by Stryker. Known for its success in hip and knee surgeries, Stryker is now expanding Mako to include spine and shoulder surgeries. Imagine the precision and improved outcomes this will bring to orthopedic procedures. It's not just a tool, it's a breakthrough in surgical accuracy and recovery times. Next, meet Zimmer Biomet's ROSA shoulder system. This robotic-assisted surgery system allows for precise placement of implants during shoulder replacements. With this level of precision, we can expect enhanced surgical outcomes and faster recovery times for our patients. Now let's talk about the Artix Thrombectomy Device by Inari Medical. This device is a game-changer for non-surgical removal of blood clots. It combines mechanical and aspiration thrombectomy, boosting treatment efficiency and offering a less invasive option for patients. Wearable health devices are also making waves. Aidmed's chest-worn recorder monitors vital signs, while Gait Science's wearable device controls pain using a combination of pharmacologic blockade and neuromodulation. These innovations provide real-time monitoring and pain management like never before. 3D printing in healthcare is another major leap forward. We're creating custom implants, prosthetics, and even exploring the potential to print tissues and organs. This technology slashes production time and costs, making it a valuable asset in medical manufacturing. And finally, CRISPR gene editing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in treating genetic disorders and diseases like cancer and HIV. By editing specific DNA sequences, CRISPR holds the promise of curing conditions that were once considered untreatable. These advancements are not just improving patient outcomes, they're transforming the future of healthcare. Stay tuned and stay informed because the future of medicine is here. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.